Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect a Runna app to Garmin watch. Now the first thing I want you to do is come right here, log in to your Runna app, come to the top left, click on your profile icon, and from here I want you to scroll down until you see connected apps and devices. Okay, I want you to tap on this option right here and you should see watches. So tap here on connect watch, okay? Now under Connect Watch, you should see Garmin. I want you to tap on Garmin and then to sync your plan onto your compatible Garmin, you click on Sync to Garmin and it will basically prompt you to just go ahead and log in to your Garmin Watcher account. If you don't have one, you can create one and sync them. It's really that easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.